Quick look at the markets now. Asian stocks declined to shrug off a positive session on Wall Street, with the S&P 500 hitting a fresh record high. Reason? A double whammy of the US inflation report and the Federal Reserve decision landing later in the day kept traders on edge. Hong Kong's benchmark index fell more than 1%. Shares dropped in Japan and Australia. Stocks in mainland China fluctuated at the open as data showed the country's consumer price gains remained above zero in May and factory deflation continued. Future contracts for US shares were little changed after the S&P 500 closed at a new high. The volatility in Indian stocks is expected to extend from last week. The Sensex and Nifty near record highs are likely to meander directionless between small gains and losses similar to Monday and Tuesday. Investors in Asia will burn the midnight oil on one of the biggest days in the economic calendar this month. US inflation data and Federal Reserve's carefully washed dot plot are a double punch. And adding to the complexity in the region is the difference with the US. This will force traders to load up on caffeine to pass through the Fed's outlook in the wee hours of Thursday morning. Vishnu Varathan, head of economics and strategy at Mizuho Bank in Singapore, said, I'm quoting here, set the alarm, it's going to be extra wee early. He added, ideally, the right way to prepare for the day is to take the day off, sleep through the afternoon, wake up at 11 p.m. with some coffee and twisties and sit in front of the screen. Demand for gold in Asia is surging despite prices hovering near their record highs hit in May. Industry officials say buyers are snapping up the metal to hedge against geopolitical and economic uncertainty. City Index likes buying gold and silver. Shoki Omori, chief strategist at Mizuho Securities, said cash is king. Oil held a two-day gain after industry data pointed to shrinking US crude stockpiles as well. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.